All right, let's talk about this Festool dust extractor. It does come with a HEPA filter. It is really versatile, really easy to use, and my favorite thing about it is that it's super powerful. I'll show it to you here in action in just a second. Again, it's a powerful tool. It's really the only thing that I need now to keep dust from going all over my workshop. Here it is a plug-in, not cordless. I've never seen one that's cordless, but just in case you're wondering, I don't want to say it's big because it's not. I have a wide-angle lens here. I'm going to show you it in action with my orbital sander. It comes with a lot of different attachments. Let's see, a hose holder, a cable holder, self-clean filter bag, and then that smooth suction hose that you see right behind it. I don't use these things very much. I mainly just attach it to my sander and a couple of other devices. I'll go ahead and show you this orbital sander in action. This is a Festool sander, but you'll notice that no dust goes anywhere. It pulls the vast majority of the dust right off of the workpiece and into this, and I don't get dust all over my shop. I have some lung challenges, and so it can be troublesome to breathe it in. I don't have to worry about that with this. Okay, hope you enjoy.